potato, you are my precious friend. Even on dry land you sprout green shoots. The farmer's sweat and toil help you grow. You bloom again, bringing joy to the world. Your white blossoms bathe in sunlight. They sway in the breeze, singing of home. A tiny tuber carries a love inside, sharing warmth with everyone in the world. Potato, potato, song of the earth, precious star that sustains our lives. Potato, potato, song of hope. You will bloom with smiles across the world. Song spreads across the endless fields. A wave of happiness flows through the world. In children's laughter, your fragrance remains a warm lantern lighting up the future. You will bloom with smiles across the world.